Good day, everyone. Let's channel the dedication of Manny Pacquiao that inspires me every day. Let's make today's wonderful. I am Nelson Argawanon Jr. from Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. So Pacquiao, a renowned boxer and a public servant, is widely admired for his multifaceted virtues, which make him a compelling figure of inspiration. So here are some of the characteristics and virtues that highlight why Manny Pacquiao is considered my virtue idol as a person. First is perseverance and determination. Pacquiao rise from poverty to becoming an 8th division world champion in boxing, showcasing his relentless determination and hard work. Despite numerous setbacks and tough opponents, he continued to push forward, demonstrating his unyielding perseverance. Second is generosity and compassion. Known for his philanthropic efforts, Pacquiao has donated various charitable causes, provided scholarships, and built homes to those in need in the Philippines. Third one is humility. Despite of his global fame and success, Pacquiao remains humble and approachable. He often acknowledges his humble beginnings and attributes to his success to his faith and hard work. Next is discipline. His rigorous training regimen and strict adherence to discipline has been a way in his success as an athlete. Another one is integrity. In his political career, Manny Pacquiao has advocated for transparency and honesty. His effort to combat governance in his role as a senator in the Philippines. It reflects his commitment to integrity. The last one is his faith. Pacquiao is open about his strong Christian faith, which guides his action both in and out of the ring. His faith has been a source of strength and motivation, influencing his decision and his desire to help others. So Manny Pacquiao exemplifies the virtues such as perseverance, generosity, humility, discipline, integrity, and faith. Through his action and achievement, his journey from poverty to global stardom, coupled with his continuous effort to give back to the society, makes him a beacon of inspiration. Pacquiao life story serves as a powerful reminder that with hard work, humility, and compassionate heart, one can overcome adversity and make a positive impact in the world. So that's why I choose Manny Pacquiao as my virtue idol. Thank you and God bless.